Okay, I've got a special PacLock for you today. You will see why later. Okay, nothing on 1, nothing on 2. Three did something. 4, 5, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Little action on 2. 1. Little something on 1. Back to 2, 3. 4, action on 4, 5 clicked, 6 very springy, 5 is springy, 4 is springy. Okay, 3 did something there, 2, 1, back to 6, let's say, springy, 5. Did something, 6, 5, 4 springy, 3 springy, 2 did something, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, let's release something. 2 did something, 3 is springy, 4 is springy, 5 is springy, 6. Okay, something good happened on 6. Okay, now let's come back to, I think this is 3. Okay. 2, 1, 2, 3, oh no, that was 4, maybe, 5, 6, let's relax it a little bit, 1, 2, 3, there we go. And this happens to be the first place prize in the 2022 Chicago Locksport Open. That was just a week or so ago. Really great time, awesome people, just a lot of fun picking locks with some very interesting and fun to talk to people. Let's see what we got in here. I've moved to near the Chicago area, and so everything is sort of set up again. As a part of the absence in my videos is explained by that. Let's see what we got here. This looks about right. This one is pretty beefy. It's really cool, nice to pick in hand, or not very nice to pick in hand. I'd like to thank PacLock for sponsoring that cool event. PacLock and Field Notes were the sponsors, and of course Tool, the Open Organization of Lockpickers, for those of you who aren't familiar with that. Maybe, I think a lot of people are more into Lockpickers United, what have you. Okay. Yeah. on some of our tools. Let's get that guy off there. That's fine. Okay. I dropped that guy. I don't know where he went. Oh, there it is. Trying out this new pin tray I designed specifically for high pin count locks, which of course this one isn't, but nevertheless, I always want to try out your new stuff. Get out the old CLK Supplies extra thin shims. Because this lock looks like it wants to be shimmed. Okay, let's see what we got here in terms of key pins. Pretty standard, I suspect. Just make sure these are in the right order here. And no. There we go. The only thing of note here is 1, 2, 3, 4. On 4, there is a very serrated key pin. So that's interesting. Nice kind of overset trap there, as is typical. And in pin 1 we had a spool. Take the springs out, might as well. Pin 2 serrated. Pin 3 spool. Pin 4 serrated, and this is pretty typical of PacLock to alternate serrated and spool pins, so no surprises there. Spool, and at the end we should probably see a serrated or possibly even a standard pin. Standard. Okay, so that is what we're dealing with. 6-pin lock, pretty standard. 1 standard pin in the back, and then alternating spools and serrated. Again, what makes this really special to me is that it was my trophy for winning the 2022 Chicago Lock Sport Open, which again, super fun event. If you're around next year, you should definitely go. Yeah, great time. Thanks.